Hello everyone. So today we'll see what is Clearfix and how we can correct Clearfix in a website. So if you see, I created a div with background primary and a class of container, and then I've created two cards. Okay. So since I'm floating both of them, so my background primary and my container is not in effect. Although the color is background primary, I can give secondary as well. If I save, it will not work. Why? Because this card are floating to start and floating to end, and it is becoming big than the div, so it's not showing the background color and this div as well. To clear this, you can write css as well, but in Bootstrap you just need to write clearfix, and as soon as you do, it will show you that what is your div, what is its surrounding elements. Now it's making them fit perfectly. So if you have a div where elements are floating right, left, start, end, and the size is bigger than the container, so you can use clear from fix from Bootstrap to solve that issue. If you have any question, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.